Alin na!
Maglakad. Okay? Nakasabi na natin yung code. Wamibot, move forward. And of course, kaya nyo po mamalik. Sabihin nyo lang, Wamibot, move backward. Okay, then aside from that, this robot po ay kaya na po mag-exercise. Okay? Sige, sabihin natin, ano gusto yung pagawa? Okay, sabihin na push up. Sabihin natin, Wamibot, push up. Another one, okay? Okay, now, sabihin natin, Wamibot, sit-ups. Dancing robot, okay? Now, sabihin nyo, Wamibot, kending. Another one, let's say Wamibot, eagle dance. Kaya ka na yung i-hug. Sabihin nila, Wamibot hug. And of course, kailangan po namin tapusin ang aming show. Now, sabihin nila, Wamibot bow.